The unsusceptible truths about salvation is when you find the one who finds you. I was bent in and out like this scrap when she found me. If my salvation had ended at the crusade, it surely would have come to naught, but I found the one who mothered it. I needed a person who follows Christ to know Christ wholly, and you are the best. She risked thinking that I could live again. And yes, she was right. I did. She gave me a new heart, new looks, and she made me the great mom that I am to my family. The businesswoman I am today is credited to her. When the once ditched and forgotten has life, shining like I am, it's all through her. Yes, Mom Ruth, you labored well. You deserve more than the world can ever offer. I cannot exhaust the titles that you earned through the different persons you are to meet everyone's demands as a mother of many. But the best fit for me is you are a mother in capital letters. The phrase happy birthday seems so common, but it is the best so far. Happy birthday to you, Mom Ruth Emmanuel. Me and my family, we are forever grateful of your love. We love you.